Okay, page 9. Now, instead of adding or subtracting, you can see that we're going to start dividing or multiplying. So if we're dividing by 2, we think 6 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now, with our rule is to multiply, that's what we're going to do to the ends. So 0 times 10 is 0. 1 times 10 is 10. 6 times 10 is 60. And 9 times 10 is 90. Now we're going to divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. Now if we're dividing by 9, 9 divided by 9 is 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 81 divided by 9 is 9. If we're multiplying by 5, 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 5 is 20. 7 times 5 is 35. 10 times 5 is 50. Multiply by 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 6 is 42. And 10 times 6 is 60. Multiply by 3. 1 times 5 is 5. Oh, why am I saying 5? 1 times 3 is 3. Silly me. I looked up here. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. And 8 times 3 is 24. Now we're dividing by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And 50 divided by 5 is 10. All right, so if we write the rule and fill in the empty boxes now, we're thinking, what do I multiply the 1 by to get 11? 1 times 11, so multiply 11. 3 times 11 is 33. 5 times 11 is 55. 9 times 11 is 99. So the zeros don't help, right? 33 divided by what gives us 3? This time we have to divide by 11. So 77 divided by 11 is 7. 110 divided by 11 is 10. One times what gives us 2? 2 times 2. So we're going to multiply 2 here. 10 times 2 is 20. Now remember, if we're getting smaller, we're either subtracting or dividing. So 12 divided by what gives us 1? 12 divided by itself, right? So 36 divided by 12 gives us 3. So we're going to divide 12 here. So 96 divided by 12 is 8. We're not sure what to do here. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 8 is 32. So we're going to multiply 8. 0 times 8 is still 0. Here we're getting smaller. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. We're going to divide 4. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. And 36 divided by 4 is 9. All right. So you have 1 to practice multiplying and dividing, 1 more to practice adding and subtracting, and then 2 more multiplying and dividing. You want to do 13 together, and that will just leave you with 10, 11, and 12. So if we're practicing multiplying and dividing, 1 times 16 is 16. 16 times 5 is 80. These bigger numbers you might want your planner for, right? You can follow 16. 16 times 8 is 128, or you can use a calculator. 16 times 11 is 176. And 16 times 14 is 224. Here we're going to add 24, so you got to be careful. 10 plus 24 is 34. 14 plus 24 is 38. If I add 4 to the 9, I end up with 13, carry the 1, so 2 plus 2 is 43. 49. Again, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry the 1, so 3 plus 2 is 5. All right, so you're just following the rules for this last page. It's just mixed up. Subtract 13. 15 minus 13 is 2. 29 minus 13 is 16. 37 minus 13 is 24. 59 minus 13 is 46. And 73 minus 13 is 60. We don't even have to figure out our own rules with this one. Divided by 19. So if I'm looking along my 19 and I find a 38, I would go up to the answer, which is 2. Let's see if there is a 76. There is. Go up to the answer, which is 4. Follow your 19, see if it goes up to 171. It does. That is 9. See if it goes up to 228. It does. That is 12. Is that right? Yes. And 285 is here, which is 15. Look how handy our planner was. Subtract 11, 23 minus 11. So I'm taking 1 from both the 10s and the 1s place. So this becomes 1, this becomes 2. This becomes 3, this becomes 6. This becomes 4, this becomes 3. This becomes 5 and 2. And this becomes 6 and 4. Now we have to multiply by 22. So 22 is not on our thing. Our planner only goes up to 20. So 0 times 22, hopefully we know that is 0. 3 times 22 we know is 66. And from there on, you may want to use your calculator. That's most agreeable. You can say 6 times 22, 132. Clear. 8 times 22, 176. Clear. And 13 times 22 is 286. All right, dividing by 15. So we might want to use our planner again. If we follow our 15 till we get to 45, The answer is 3. 15 until we get to 60. The answer is 4. 15 until we get to 90. The answer is 6. 15 more, so 7. 2 more would be 30 more, so 9. 2 more, which is another 30 more, would make this 11. Another 30 more is 2 more 15s, which is 13. And another 30 more would be this, which would make this 15. And you could follow these if you'd like. 225 go up to the answer 15. All right, so that leaves you with just 3 pages with 10, which is multiplying and dividing. 11, which is back to adding and subtracting, so be careful of your rules. And 12, which is more practice with multiplying and dividing. So that leaves us with only 3 pages on Monday to finish up this packet. All right, questions, concerns? We're all good? Hopefully getting this work done. When you're done, remember you can work in Alex. We should have at least 3 topics done. It's a good time to stay ahead and get ahead.